In this video, I'm going to show you two high converting sales funnels that I built inside of our software here inside of the funnel builder that you see on the screen. The first one is a webinar funnel or a video sales letter funnel. Basically, the first step of the funnel looks like this. We're going to have some sort of headline that grabs people's attention. Learn how we generate 60 qualified leads per month with this untraditional method. It's kind of mysterious. What's this untraditional method they're talking about? And then access the case study below. And so when somebody clicks on this button here, what it does is it pops up with this form and it asks, where should we send our case study? And then the person has to put in their full name, email, phone number, and then get access to this case study, where we will then trigger an automation to automatically email them a link to the video. But we're also going to show it to them in the funnel, but the lead doesn't know that. And so they're going to get the case study in two different places: in their email, which they're filling in this information here. So now we've captured a lead. And this is the name of the game with funnels, is to capture names, emails, and phone numbers so we can start building our email and text message list so we can remarket to people. We can use their phone number to call them and pitch them on our products and services. There's a lot of different use cases, but once you've captured a lead, you can remarket to them forever. But basically, after they hit get access, it'll take them to the next step of our funnel, which is the VSL, the video sales letter, or the webinar. And it'll go through a video that's 20, 30 minutes long, could even be 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how long you want to record the video and whatever it is you're showing them in this video. But this will be the next step of the funnel. After they submit it there, they'll get access through their email to this video, and they can just watch it right away here in our funnel. How we generate 60 qualified leads per month in an untraditional way. Unmute the video below. So this will be muted as they come here, so they have to click unmute on the video and then they can hear it, but it'll auto play. We can set up the video settings where it'll automatically start playing for them. And sometime in this video at the end, we're going to have a call to action, which is going to be to book a call with our team. So we're going to give them some free value, right? We want to give them what we promised them, but maybe we don't give away too much where they can go off and do it on their own. Maybe we say, hey, you need this software in order to do this method, and we offer this software, book a call with our team below. Or hey, we do this strategy and we do it done for you, and you can hire us to do it for cheaper than it would cost you to do it yourself. Just some sort of call to action where you get people to book a call on this calendar down here below. Once they book a call on this calendar, they pick their date, their time, put in their name, email, and phone number again to book the appointment. Once they've done that, it'll then redirect them to our final page of the funnel, which is just a simple thank you page, and we can include a video on this thank you page. And so just a video saying, hey, thanks for booking a call with our team. This is what to expect on the call. And just a simple final page like this. This funnel is really, really effective because we're capturing their information at the beginning, getting them to opt in for this VSL or webinar that we've pre-recorded. And it's just a great way to capture leads, and just make sure your headlines and your sub-headlines actually capture people's attention and actually have something enticing. You can obviously add more stuff down below. This is just an example of the top section, but everything down below, you can give more information on what your process is and things like that down below in this white area, but just a general basis overview of this webinar funnel that works really, really well paired with Facebook ads, or just putting it in the links in your bio on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you use social media. The second example that I'm going to show you is a course funnel. So we're actually giving our lead a free course in this funnel, and you can make it as long as you want, as short as you want, but basically it's allowing them to get to know you. The first step is, get dream outcome through this specific method. A great way to put your headlines is using this framework here. We're going to give you this dream outcome. You're going to achieve this if you use this method. Get the free course below. So maybe we have like an intro video explaining a little bit about the course. And then they can click this button here to access the course, which pops up with this pop-up again. Where should we send the course? We're actually going to show them the course in the funnel, but they don't know that. And so we're going to get them to put in their name, email, and phone number in order to access it. We're going to send it to their email automatically through automation using our software, but also we're going to show it to them in the funnel. So when they click get access, it'll then take them to the second step of our funnel, which is going to be the first video of this short course that we've put together. And so it's going to teach them some sort of value, right? So our first video is going to say, how to XYZ. So maybe this is one process or part of our, training that they have to learn how to do. And so we show them the video here, and then we say, all right, click the button down below for the next video. And then they click next, and then it takes them to the second video of the funnel. And we can repeat this as many times as we want, and we can have it go, 10 videos long, 20 videos long. We're basically just giving them a free course with buttons to go to the next video or go back to the previous video. And we're going to continue like this. And then at the very end, we're going to have an offer. So the course is going to build up, going to teach them a lot of things, but then it's going to say, but you need this software or you need this service in order to make this work. And so you can buy that from us. We've given you all this free value and free information, so they'll like you more, they'll trust you more by the end of this free course, and they're way more likely to buy whatever you're selling. So we put out this checkout form where they can go ahead and purchase whatever it is that we're offering, the product or service that we want to sell to them, and have a video kind of saying down below, you can get access to this. You know, it's everything we talked about in the course. You need this in order to do that. And so you can sell that product or service right here, have a checkout cart at the very end. Once they check out here through the checkout cart, it'll then take them to a simple thank you page. And we can also include a video on this thank you page like we did on our other funnel, and just say, hey, thanks for purchasing. This is what to expect. This is how to access your purchase. We've emailed it to you and you can access it through your email, whatever it is. This is a very effective funnel because we're giving a lot of free value. We've captured their name, email, and phone number. So even if they don't buy at the end of the funnel, we can still remarket to them and get them to purchase later on through our email marketing, through our text message marketing, and we can even call them now. Now they're a hot lead. They were initially interested in this process. We can talk to them on the phone and sell them over the phone. So these are two examples of funnels you can build inside of our software. And you can check out the funnel building tutorial video so you can see how to build this if you don't know how to already. And yeah, see you in the next video.